So this is 10 by 10. This is snowball mesh. Of course, I grabbed the snowball mesh because winter, right? Snowballs. And so this ribbon is cut at 8 inches. Tried 12 and 10, they were too long, so 8 is a good number for this petal. Okay, so I just put it curved side up, diamond shaped, and I'll just put this down to the bottom, and I'll grab this point and put it right under this edge of the mesh. And here I'll just place my finger right there, and I'll fold it over, right? You see that? I place my fingers right at the tip, and I'll fold it over, okay? And I'll just scrunch right there, thus making the Gigi petal, okay? So here I'll pin it. Did I pin it? Yeah, I did. So I'm just gonna cut this part off because we don't need the all the excess mesh. And here I'll just wrap the ribbon. I'll find the middle, make a little crease, and I'll just put it under where I think the middle is, making sure it's in the middle. And I'll just unpin it and scrunch it back up, and I'll just put a 4-inch zip tie on it. So that's the Gigi petal with the ribbon on it. So there it is. So let me show you that again, 10 by 10. Just put that down, and I'll just roll it over. I put my hand like that, right where the point is, so that'll be the middle. And where these folds come together is where I pinch it. Okay, that's the Gigi petal. I'll just cut that off. And I'm just gonna put that in there and cut it off. Snowball mesh at 10 by 10. So I'll put it into a curl side up, diamond shaped. Bring this one down, grab this and put it right under the edge here. And here's where I lay my hand, right at the point, and I just fold this one over. See, fold it over. And right where the folds meet, these ones right here, that's where I scrunch. And you have your Gigi petal. And I'll cut this off, and I'll grab my, pin this first so I can prepare my little 8-inch ribbon, light blue. It's glittered and pretty. So I'll find the middle, open it up, slip this in there where I think is the middle, and I press it down and pinch it. And this is where I can pin it, and I can put a little 4-inch zip tie. And then, okay, and then I'm just gonna cut off.